A very, very happy new year to each and everybody. First and foremost, welcome to 2026. And with 2026, ZAT is right around the corner, right? You have basically less than 72 hours, maybe slightly more, because ZAT जो होता है वो afternoon में होता है, to ZAT 2026. 2 to 3 things to keep in mind. Once again, जो मैंने CAT में बोला था, for the quant section, I hope you have a formula book. Go through those formulas, especially in geometry, a bit of those in algebra, a bit of those in numbers, just to ensure that all of that is fresh in your mind and you're able to go ahead and handle it. Also, I hope the on-screen calculator is something that you've seen seriously. Scientific calculator है, but जिस तरह का यहाँ पे DI आता है वो calculation में आपको help करेगा. Do ensure you get a good night's sleep before the ZAT exam. The advantage of it being in the afternoon means even if you're a late night bird, you can go to sleep at 2 a.m. and get up आराम से at 9-10 a.m. with your 7-8 hours of sleep. Ensure you reach the center on time. कुछ ज़्यादा stress ना हो. Try reaching at least an hour in advance, if not more. Carry your admit card, carry your ID proof, do your measurements with respect to ID proof like I stated in CAT, and don't forget all of that. Also, the last couple of days में don't go ahead and overdo. Reading continue करना because comprehension intensive exam है, dense passages होते हैं, critical reasoning भी straightforward नहीं होता, but उसके अलावा try chilling as much as possible. To those of you all who've done well in CAT, you might also be expecting calls from some of the top B schools. You might have gotten calls from a couple of B schools already as well. So what you can do is in some of your time basic PDP preparation, who am I fill कर लिया, autobiography पे थोड़ा काम कर लिया, ताकि साइड बाय साइड वो काम भी चलता रहे. बट डू एंश्योर कि थोड़ा नेटफ्लिक्स एंड चिल हो गया, थोड़ा Amazon प्राइम चिल हो गया, थोड़ा हॉटस्टार चिल हो गया, थोड़ा क्रिकेट देख लिया, इधर उधर एशेस का एक लास्ट टेस्ट बाकी है वो भी थोड़ा देख लिया. जस्ट गो हेड एंड रिलैक्स अ लिटिल, डोंट स्ट्रेस टू मच. आई नो इट्स प्रॉब्ली द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम एंड फॉर मेनी ऑफ यू द लास्ट एग्जाम दैट यू आर राइटिंग फॉर दिस एग्जाम साइकिल. पुट योर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड, गिव योर बेस्ट एंड होपफुली द रिजल्ट विल बी समथिंग दैट विल मेक यू स्माइल. All the very best from the Career Launcher team, and do not forget to catch the ZAT analysis on the Career Launcher YouTube channel on the 4th of January, which will be on for the whole day, and specifically the in-depth analysis which will be straight after the exam. See you. Bye bye.